What if everything you've been taught about success is wrong? What if I told you that the secret to achieving your dreams lies not in hard work alone, but in rewiring your mind? Starting today. Imagine a life where negative thoughts no longer control you, a life where every action you take aligns perfectly with your goals. Sounds impossible? It's not, and today you'll learn exactly how to make this your reality. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dr. Miles Monroe, we're diving deep into proven methods to transform your thinking, conquer self-doubt, and create a mindset built for success. From lesser-known principles of leadership to actionable steps you can take right now, this video will reveal the tools you need to destroy negativity and unleash your full potential. Stay with us till the end, and you'll walk away with practical strategies to reshape your mind and take control of your destiny. If you're ready for a transformation, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Victory Orbit, where we bring you life-changing insights and strategies for success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a step on your journey to victory. Every great achievement begins as a thought, a tiny seed planted in the garden of your mind. These seeds, whether positive or negative, grow into the habits and actions that define your life. Just like a garden needs nurturing and weeding, your mind demands the same care. Neglect it, and the weeds of doubt and negativity can take over. But when you intentionally plant thoughts of possibility and success, the results can be life-changing. Dr. Miles Monroe often said that success isn't a mystery, it's the result of disciplined thinking. He believed that most of us are held back, not by circumstances, but by the patterns of thought we've inherited or adopted. Our conditioning from past experiences, environments, or even cultural norms shapes our mindset, and unless we actively challenge these patterns, they become the invisible change that limit our potential. Think about this. Have you ever wondered why two people in the same situation can achieve wildly different results? The difference lies in how they think. One sees obstacles, the other sees opportunities. Dr. Monroe urged us to understand that we are not victims of our environment. We are architects of our reality. It all starts with reprogramming how we perceive challenges, failures, and even success itself. He compared the mind to fertile soil. It doesn't care what kind of seed you plant, whether it's wheat or weeds. It will grow whatever you nurture. This is why paying attention to your internal dialogue is critical. Are you planting seeds of growth or decay? This choice, though subtle, determines everything. And here's where it gets interesting. You have the power to uproot those old limiting beliefs and plant new ones. But how do you start? It's simpler than you think, and we'll uncover that in just a moment. Let's clear something up. When we say brainwashing, we're not talking about manipulation. This isn't about losing control of your mind. It's about reclaiming it. In this context, brainwashing is the intentional act of reprogramming your thoughts to align with your goals. It's about washing away negativity and replacing it with purpose-driven thinking. One of the most effective tools is daily affirmations. These aren't just feel-good phrases. They're powerful statements that help overwrite the negative beliefs buried in your subconscious. When you repeatedly tell yourself, I am capable, or I am worthy of success, you start to believe it. Over time, this belief translates into action. Affirmations create a mental blueprint for your future self. Another key step is visualization. Picture your success as vividly as possible. Dr. Miles Monroe emphasized that your mind is designed to respond to images and not just words. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving your goals. You know, whether it's delivering a powerful presentation, hitting a financial milestone, or living a healthy life. Visualization is like a rehearsal for your mind, training it to turn those dreams into reality. But here's the catch. Your environment plays a crucial role in this process. Surround yourself with the right inputs. What are you consuming daily? Books, podcasts, and even conversations act as seeds for your mind. Are they empowering you or dragging you down? Dr. Monroe often reminded us that your surroundings influence your thoughts, and your thoughts dictate your destiny. To brainwash yourself for success, you must guard your mental gates fiercely. And the best part? These practices aren't complicated. They're habits you can start right now. But there's one more element to this reprogramming process, and it's something most people overlook. Let's dive into that next. And negative thoughts are like invisible chains. They hold you back, often without you even realizing it. The first step to breaking free is recognizing them. Pay attention to those little voices in your head that say, "You're not good enough," or "This will never work." These are limiting beliefs, and they're often rooted in fear or past experiences. Dr. Miles Monroe had a powerful approach to handling these thoughts. He said you need to kill them before they grow. How? By challenging their validity. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or just fear? When you expose the lies behind your negative thinking, you strip them of their power. Then replace those thoughts with positive, empowering beliefs. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I'm capable and I'll figure it out." It's not just about thinking positively. It's about reconditioning your mind to see possibilities rather than obstacles. Another powerful tool in this process is gratitude. Dr. Monroe often emphasized that gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's working. Take a moment each day to list 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Maybe it's your health, a supportive friend, or even the opportunity to try again. Gratitude rewires your brain to see the good in every situation, which naturally crowds out negativity. And here's something most people overlook. Your mind can't hold gratitude and negativity at the same time. When you're truly thankful, there's no room for self-doubt or fear. This simple practice, repeated daily, can reshape your entire perspective. But gratitude is just one part of the puzzle. To truly master your mindset, you need to pair it with another habit that takes this transformation even further. Let's dive into that next. Now that we've uncovered the power of your thoughts and how to reprogram your mind, let's talk about putting these ideas into action. Success isn't just about knowing what to do, it's about doing it consistently. So, where do you begin? Start with a gratitude journal. Every morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be life-changing. A good meal, a kind word, or simply waking up can make the list. This practice shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life, setting a positive tone for your day. Next, write daily affirmations. These are short, powerful statements like, "I am capable," or "I attract success effortlessly." Read them out loud every day with conviction. It might feel awkward at first, but over time, these words become the foundation of your beliefs. Remember, repetition is key. And then there's visualization. Set aside 10 minutes each morning to imagine your success vividly. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving your goals, whether it's speaking confidently, hitting a financial milestone, or living the life you've always dreamed of. The more real you make it in your mind, the more your actions align to make it a reality. But these steps is just the beginning. When you combine them with everything we've covered so far, you'll start to see changes not only in how you think, but in how you live. And there's one final secret to making this transformation last. Let's explore that next. Your mind is your greatest asset. And today we've explored how to unlock its true potential. From understanding the power of your thoughts to reprogramming your mindset with affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, you now have the tools to overcome negativity and set yourself on the path to success. Remember, success begins within, and every thought you nurture takes you closer to your goals. So, what's the one step you're going to take today to brainwash yourself for success? Is it starting a gratitude journal, practicing visualization, or perhaps challenging those limiting beliefs that have been holding you back? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to let us know and share it with someone who could use a mindset shift. Don't forget to subscribe to Victory Orbit and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a step on your journey to success. Together, let's keep building a future full of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and remember, success starts in your mind, so make it count. See you in the next video.